Do you hear how terrible this thing rolls? This thing rolls awful, and it is actually brand new, but it's got some junky old wheels on it. Oasis was nice enough to send me this set of cool wheels. Let me show you them. These are like off a rollerblade. Like, this thing should be booking around here. What do you say we flip this thing over, install these wheels, and see if they actually make a big difference? I'm reasonably confident that this piece of plasticky junk replaced with this piece of nice ball bearing wheel is going to be much better. It's got like a nice rubberized nylon feel to it. Man, can you hear the difference? Let me put the mic down there so you can hear, because I think that is huge, how quiet they are. These things are awesome. As they say in Canada, these things are wicked. Anyway, you should get yourself a set of these. These things are absolutely ridiculously cool. There's either going to be a link right here on the screen, or worst case down there in the description. Helps out the channel a little bit. Doesn't cost you anything extra, but I'm going to say thank you in advance. If you're still here and I've added value to your life, remember to give a like to the video, subscribe to the channel, put something in the comments if you have a question or something like that. I hope this has been helpful. I'm just having too much fun here. I'll see you next time.